people request to see my braid pattern. It's not that great because I can't braid my own hair. It's really hard to like, I used to, I don't know what happened, but it's like, it's very difficult for me to braid my own hair and I hate it. I wish I knew somebody that could braid my hair. But this is how it look. It's big braids. I put synthetic, I braid my hair with synthetic around here. See? To make, this is where I'm gonna sew my 3/4 wig on. This area. And I put my hair in a ball. Little ball, like I braid it down and I put it in a little ball. This is gonna be hiding, so it don't need to be neat. And I have this much hair left out. I'm gonna show pictures of my natural hair. I cut all the perm, my hair is natural. I cut all my perm out because I had a really, really short haircut. I had a mohawk back in October of last year, which was 2010. No, yeah. October, I had a mohawk, so I decided to grow my perm out. And you know, that's what I'm doing right now. I cut out all the perm out in February of this year, which is 2011, February. And yeah, so I washed my natural hair with Carrot Care for dry and itchy scalp. I just get anything that I need to use. I got so much stuff, so many products, and I need to use it. And I conditioned my hair, deep conditioned my hair with intensive conditioning, yeah, with this Cream of Nature. And also did this with my hair, the Genesis version wavy, the Genesis Brazilian wavy hair. I colored it again, I dyed it again. This is dry, I air dried it with Revlon. I use Revlon again because it's the cheapest brand. I don't know, I just use it because it's cheap. I was gonna get something else, but all that stuff was like $9 a box, and I ain't about to pay that. And it's color 105, bright black. I'm gonna have pictures of it in the beginning of the video. And this is how it turned out. It's back jet black, which I'm loving. I deep conditioned the hair after I dyed it and all that with, you know, the Cream of Nature. And I put it in the microwave. I put it in a plastic bag, put the conditioner on it, put it in a plastic bag, and I put it in the microwave for like 15 minutes. I don't know if that's how long you're supposed to do it, but I did it like that. And this is how it look now. So pretty still. I washed this hair about freaking 12 times already. I washed this hair a lot. And I flat ironed it and curled it a lot. I put a lot of heat on this hair. And it's not shedding. I got about 4 strands when I was washing it, and you know, dyeing it and all that good stuff. So I washed the wig, I dyed the hair on with the wig. This is the same wig. I didn't re-wig it up. I didn't do anything. I didn't, you know, do another wig. It's the same wig. Air dry. I air dry my weaves. I never use a blow dryer with virgin hair when it's curly. I let it air dry. Okay, now I'm about to install it. It's my braid pattern, and I'll be back. Finished sewing the wig, my 3/4 wig on. Excuse my leave out. I did not press my leave out yet or anything. I'm just laying it down just to see if my hair covered the tracks. I sewed the wig on around the edges, all the way around my head. Secure. Still beautiful. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair, really. Only minimum shedding, like 4 strands, 5 strands. Dyed the hair. I showed the product the dye I use, the box dye I use in the beginning of the video. I have a video on making a 3/4 wig. I'm gonna make another one because on that video I use music that everybody, you can't see the video on your phone or anything because of the music I use. YouTube, you know, won't let nobody see it because of the music I use like on their phone and stuff. So I'm gonna make another video when I receive some more, do another wig. And that is all. This is how it looks. It's 22 inches on the bottom. And that's only 4 ounces of 22 inches on the bottom and 8 ounces of 18 inches on the top. I have 3 bundles in my head. She is having a sale right now, I think, yeah. Check her website out. She's having a sale on long lengths right now. So go check her out, the website, genesisvirginhair.com. Excuse my leave out because I did not, you know, blend in yet. I'm gonna show you guys when I blend it in. The texture did change. It's more of like a coarse texture. It's not silky. It's really pretty. So I got make it dry, let it dry a little bit more because it's still a little damp. So I don't want to mess up the waves. I have my pajamas on too still, so whatever. I'm 5'6". People ask me how tall I am. I'm 5'6". So I will talk to you guys later.